wasn't planning on filming a video today, but I was just taking my afternoon nap because I was busy last night. I have this side business I do, kind of like video game streaming. I make some money off of that. I was up last night late filming a video, well, rather editing my Cruisin with Corey that is on the channel right now. And then I just got this almost $44 to shop 10 items and bring it 14 miles. So it's a little bit long of a trip, admittedly, but it will be about a 21-mile round trip, 10 items. I should be out of the store in like 5 minutes. So it's still a worthwhile run by far. And seeing as I didn't really have a busy day today, I need this money. So it's gonna take us about 12 minutes to get to the store. I kind of live in what I like to call bum nowhere. Like, I'm like 8 miles away. So when I get an order sent to me on Uber, I get to play the surge game with it. It'll come through. I can usually get them up to $35 base pay. And this one's probably going to be pretty close to that. So we'll be at the grocery store in 10 minutes. Let's go shopping, and I'll let you know how this goes and what the payout ends up being. Let's go. Alright, so that was a 10 item shop. I don't know exactly how long it took us, but longer than it probably should have. She had only put one banana on, and I asked, do you want one banana? Giggity, giggity, giggity. Or do you want a bunch? Because some people think it's a bunch. So I got like 4, just on a guess, because she didn't answer, because I didn't know. So that way I got as many as like the maximum weight it would let me get before it said it was too much. The chips aisle was empty. And what else was there? There was something else that she wanted. Oh, it was some kind of candy bar, but you know how inventory is these days, staff levels at stores. Like, a lot of places just don't have stock. They don't have people stocking the shelf, so they get pretty rated, but most of this is going to be base pay, so I'm not really worried about that. But yeah, we're on our way. About 10 minutes away. It's pretty much a straight shot on this road that I'm on right now. But this brings up a topic, and it's called the surge game. And I know Chuck brings it up on Dashing Across America quite a bit, because he's similar to me. He lives in a really, really rural area where there's not a lot of drivers because there's not a lot of stuff. So when you do get something, the odds of there being another driver in the area is very, very low. So you can take the risk. It's still a gamble at the end of the day, but you could take the risk and see if it'll go back up. I mean, I've taken orders from $14 up to $40. It's possible. It's a gamble, because there might be one other person out there who's playing the same game as you. And in many cases, my friend Alyssa, who you may have seen in my other videos, she lives in this area too. So certain times a day when she lives and she's at home down here, we have to think with each other. All right, is she out there? Is he out there? When do I think he's going to take this order? Because then I have to take it at the undercut. Like, one day we directly said to each other, all right, if this order goes to $40, I'm going to take it. So when it went to 38, I took it because I knew she was going to take it to 40. So it's always a gamble, but you know, if you want to, you can't win it if you ain't in it. So you got to try sometimes. So we'll see what happens. I really did not have intentions of going out tonight. I'm going to throw on everything that is available in the area that I'm going to be in just in case, but I have little to no expectations and little to no energy. I was literally taking a nap. So 5 miles, 9 more minutes. Let's drop this off, and I'll update you at the end with what the final total is. Yep, so just as I predicted, that order maxed out. I said in my video yesterday that I'm almost certain that for regular Uber Eats orders, $35 is the max payout. With Walmart, I'm wishy-washy on it. I haven't figured it out, but as I've said, I thought 35 was going to be the max payout, and you can see there $35 was the payout. The customer tip was, doing math here, $8.98, so that should come in. I'm not going to do a follow-up. I'm just going to wrap it up here because I feel like that's going to stick as is. It's a pretty good tip for how little they spent. So a little snippet video. I actually kind of brought you in the store today, which I don't usually do. Just wanted to make this video a little bit more entertaining. But yeah, just if you live in the middle of nowhere, keep Uber on. You never know what surprises you'll head your way. But want to thank everyone for tuning in. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We're growing this slowly, but we're having fun doing it. And let's see if we can bring some more friends along for the ride. This is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.